Have you ever wondered if you're doing this whole Christian thing right? Now, I can't answer that question for you, but you can take inventory of your life by evaluating some of the relationships in your life. You can ask yourself, do I have people in my life that are pouring into me? People who are asking me the hard questions, people who are making me want to be more like Jesus, people who will hold me accountable and make me want to become more excellent. Now, you can also in turn ask, am I also investing my time and energy into other people? Am I taking the things that I have been learning, the things that have been entrusted to me, and am I passing those things on to other people? This is what it looks like to be a follower of Jesus, a disciple. It's a person who is a follower of Jesus, a disciple who disciples others, who disciples others. Now, this is what Paul is outlining to Timothy, his son in the faith, in 2 Timothy 2:2. He says to him, "And the things that you have heard me say in the presence of many witnesses, entrust to reliable people who will also be qualified to teach others." Be a disciple who is being made into a disciple and is also in turn discipling others who will disciple others. This is what it looks like to be a follower of Jesus.